How to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. If any day you are an Instagram user and your Instagram broadcast channel is not showing, just follow the following steps to solve it. For this, first of all, you have to find the Instagram application on your mobile device. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the I option there. After you go to the I option, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of notifications. After you tap on the option of notifications, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification phone, and photos and videos. Now you have to go back, and after going back, now you can go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links, and then go back again. Now you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see the option of cache out there, you can go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now after going back, now you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if you see the option of update out there, you have to update your very application there. And after you update it till 100%, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.